Shout it, rock to the beat for your boy. Shout it, yeah, do it, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer, killer. Shout it, clap it, shout it, tight it, shoot skate it. You're one I was missing, the opposite of fiction. That's fact. Always forgiven. I don't care about opinion.
What's up, Soul Tribe? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you read today's title, I am styling one pair of shorts to 5 outfits you can style and wear. And just based off my preference, you can switch it up, change it, but this is going to be like a little lookbook. So without further ado, let's get into this video. This is how I style the first outfit. It's cute little purse, Fantasy Trends. Glasses from Shein. I actually made this shirt a couple days ago, but I think this is really cute to style. Very fun with or without. You can even do a crossbody action to it. But yeah, Jordan eyes. Okay, so this is the second bag from This Is California. Found these shades and also worked with it. Really cute outing, nature walk, trail, going somewhere. You guys, doesn't really matter with the bag or without. But yeah, shade give. Each every time. So let me get some. Okay, this is outfit number 3. Made it shirt a while back. I got my Jordan 14 one. And I think this might be my favorite look. With the Shein shades. I'm sorry, not Shein. I'm saying that wrong the whole time. Yeah. Really like that. They are super stretchy. Material's not too thin or too rough. So yeah. It's nice. Okay, outfit number 4. I had a shirt for a while. It's very old, like a t-shirt for a house. I did tie it up. I cut it and tie it up. The TG450s, Amazon, links down below. Matter of fact, go back and watch my pack and prep with me video. You'll find it there. So, with the shades, it's good. Like fun, I want to go golfing. This is the last outfit. I paired it with this red 2-piece set that's not from, I got it from Amazon, and it's like in my other videos. So, yeah. But I paired it with my Air Maxes. Really cute. I like this pop color, nice red. concludes this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you all for watching and staying to the end. Everything turned out super cute, and y'all know the motto. If you're new here, you're gonna learn it is without change, there's no growth, and if it ain't growing, it's dead. And I'll see y'all in my next upload.
We don't want our missing the opposite.